Are you ready to move your body, boost your mood, and have a blast while getting fit? Then this beginner-friendly Zumba Aerobics workout is perfect for you. If you've ever felt intimidated by dance fitness or thought you can't dance, don't worry, this session is designed to get you started with simple, easy-to-follow moves that anyone can do. Zumba is all about joyful movement and feeling the music, not about perfect choreography. It's a fantastic way to improve your cardiovascular health, burn calories, and release stress, all while grooving to infectious rhythms. This routine breaks down the core steps, making it super accessible for absolute beginners. You'll learn the basics, build your confidence, and discover how much fun fitness can be. Many people shy away from dance workouts because they think they need to be an expert. But with Zumba, the goal is to move your body, embrace the energy, and smile. You don't need any special equipment or a lot of space. Just some comfortable clothes, a little room to move, and your enthusiasm. Beyond the incredible physical benefits like increased stamina and improved coordination, Zumba offers a fantastic mental boost. It's a wonderful way to shake off the day, uplift your spirits, and connect with the sheer joy of movement. You'll finish feeling energized, refreshed, and ready to take on anything.